Don't fight.
Then I do not go to the dog.
You don't want to go to the dog? Okay, then you have to turn the car. Turn the car. Turn. Turn the car. You're okay. The dog scares you. Okay, turn the car, Sissy. Yes. Good job. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Now go in reverse.
Okay. Go on. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go for it.
Yeah, Aqua, get out of the way. Aqua, get out of the way.